Struggling to lose weight and nothing seems to work? Try this magical morning drink. It works, 100%, if you stay consistent. Here's how you make it. Take a small pot and add about 300 milliliters of water. Now add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes until the water reduces just slightly. Optional. For extra benefits, you can also add a few coriander seeds. Once it's ready, pour it into a cup and sip it slowly every morning on an empty stomach. Do this daily. Stay consistent and watch your body start to change. Because small habits done with discipline lead to big results.